Hi everyone, welcome to Module 7. So here you're going to see the Module 7 uh, topic, which is fauna and species interrelationship. So we have been talking a lot about sense of place. We've been talking a lot about the desert itself. We've explored botany and plant adaptations. This week we're going to get into fauna and species interrelationship. So let's head over to the learning outcomes. And here we're going to be really looking at again, the biologically rich diversity in the Sonoran Desert. We're also going to think about the keystone species. So for example, the saguaro cactus, it's an excellent nesting place for birds such as the white-winged dove, but its flowers also are as bats visit their flowers at night. And then you have bees that visit those same flowers in the daytime, in the mornings. We have Gila woodpeckers that will excavate the saguaro cactus and make it into a nesting place. And once they abandon those nesting places, it often becomes a nesting place for other species, such as elf owls. And so there's a lot of things to investigate and explore about fauna in this module. We're also going to be thinking about adaptations, describing their structural, behavioral, or physiological adaptations of species, explore symbiosis, and identify some of these symbiotic relationships in our very own Sonoran Desert. Next, if you click that, you're going to see some of the readings and the videos for this module. So again, we're going into our book, A Natural History of the Sonoran Desert. You're going to do your reading. So make sure you follow the directions. And you notice that you have chapters 19 through 26, but you're going to skim it to get an overview of all the species. You're going to read about 5 species per chapter more thoroughly, and that is your choice. And then you've got a video link here and it'll take you about an hour to watch it. It's called Sonoran Desert of Island Eden. And then additional resources for a deeper dive. And this one is a candid conversation from the National Audubon Society. So the link is provided there. After that, you have your fauna research. Again, you have your directions outlined here. You're going to reflect on the threats or challenges that to survival that the animal species in the Sonoran Desert face. And if you recall, we did something similar to plants. We're doing this for fauna now. And we have your module reflection, and you're familiar with this format. Again, reflecting on those key understandings, your burning questions, your connection and your applications, and then the rubric again is down here. And then we have our link to the Zoom meeting assignment. So to earn 5 points, remember you need to attend the class meeting and then respond to that question below, and then respond by finishing the sentence. My favorite part of the class was, and you'll earn 5 points for that. So that sums it up for Module 7 as far as the screencast overview. So enjoy this module, enjoy exploring the fauna and species interactions.